Hello, my wonderful peoples. I'm in a random high school parking lot, and I'm here with some biz information for you. Let me go ahead and turn the camera around. Can I turn the camera around? Or I gotta stop it to turn the camera. I gotta stop it to turn it. So this is my baby. This is my car that I use 80% for Turo. And she is getting flipped today. So y'all know I'm always I've been telling you how Turo has been beating me up. I never ran a Turo business before. It worked amazingly part-time when I would go out of town and I would just rent my one car. However, it has been said on the boards that, you know, having a loan with your car can be an issue. There's a lot of people that do have lots of loans with lots of cars and they don't have an issue. But you got to understand like where you live, how much wear and tear is on your car. This car has 170,000 miles. And look at it. I got it washed yesterday and it was like, this does not look like it has 170,000 miles. My cars are the most well-maintained cars. As soon as it comes back, it gets disinfected by one of my crew members. It gets washed regardless twice a week, but it gets washed and vacuumed before every client. It does have stains and stuff too. Still, I got some seat covers, and I had two unfortunate events happen with this car, which you could not predict. Somebody crashed it in a snowstorm, and that was $3,000 lost income. And then the transmission blew, even though I went to Joe Lunghammer Chevrolet, who I now boycott and recommend no one ever going to for their terrible customer service. I had asked for an extended warranty late, and they did not respond to me, and the transmission blew. And I had to fight them as a former GM employee to get just a $2,000 discount. That was another loss of $3,000 of income and a $10,000 expense. And then you add on the fact that I live in Michigan, there's salt on the road, so that gunks up underneath your car, needed a new turbocharger, needing new tires, just all those other expenses. And so cash cars work best. I'll be the first to tell you, have an experience. I mean, at the end of the day, if you have the money, it isn't that terrible because it's tax deductions as well. So it's going to be interesting to see how much I get back. But in my case, unfortunately, I didn't have extra money in the bank for the maintenance. So I'm going to be turning this car in to a white version of the exact same car with a powertrain warranty. So I will be lowering my risk. I will unfortunately still have a car note. But we're going to see what we can do about that. And I will have 80,000 miles. So we're getting something with a lot less miles. And then we will run that for a year on Turo. So next time I'll be back showing you guys my new to me 2018 white Chevrolet Trax. But I just wanted to share this, upload it to my gig work channel. We still got to do our taxes and hopefully flip my 2020 into a cash car for sure. But I just wanted to share with you guys. Have an amazing day. Bye.